The following program is a podcast1.com production.
The Congressional Budget Office says that next year, Obamacare threatens to kick as many as 20 million people off their insurance plans.
Get ready for higher premiums and insurance rate shock. There's no reason for this. Sometimes I can't figure out whether they do this deliberately to cause chaos and then nationalize the system, or they do it with good intentions and they don't realize how foolish their ideas are. Anytime the government gets involved in the distribution of any goods or services, they mess it up. And this is an example of how they have messed up medicine. Medicine is going downhill because we have way too much government involved already. I'm Ron Paul.
And that's Ron Paul's America. Germany wants its gold back from the Federal Reserve, and now Texas wants to take its gold from the Fed, too.
I think it's a great idea. I support the governor on this. Texas has over $1 billion in an education fund in reserve. It's being held by the Fed. The Germans want to get their gold back. I think Texans ought to get their gold back. The Federal Reserve has not a very good reputation for protecting value. And besides, Bernanke claims gold is not money. So I would say that if it is money and it's a good reserve, it ought to be held here in Texas. But I'm going to volunteer and go with the governor to pick up the gold, because if he has any trouble with the chairman of the Fed, maybe I can help him out a bit. And then, if we need to, we ought to take the Texas Rangers with us as well. I'm Ron Paul.
And that's Ron Paul's America.